Charges Mr. Tytler has faced. The charges include murder, that is 302, arson 436, promoting enmity 153, and defiling places of worship 295. What do you have to say, Mr. Kapil Madan? What is the necessity? What is the urge to publicly acknowledge or even honor individuals like Jagdish Tytler by giving him a front row seat at functions such as this?
Now, let me give you a very quick response, Madhav. We've all seen Mr. Amit Shah. He was under trial. In fact, he went to the jail. In fact, during his trial, when the prosecution was on, he was not allowed to even enter the state of Gujarat. And hold on, I understand. These are little hard facts for you, hard and inconvenient facts. Please hold on. Please listen. Allow me to complete. Let people know. Hold on. Take a deep breath. Sanju, take a deep breath. Hold on.
Okay. Make your point. Conclude your point.
All I'm trying.
One by one, please. One by one. Yeah.
All I'm trying to tell our viewers is that you are not guilty until you are proven guilty by the court. Now, I ask a question here. You have mentioned the charges. Have you seen any court order or a judgment that has, convicted Mr. Tytler? Give me the answer.
No, the point is, have charges not been framed?
Trials.
Have charges not been framed, Kapil?
Now, so again, Madhav, you're not a lawyer, and no one here is a lawyer. Framing of charges.
But we all don't know what framing of charges are. As a lawyer, you don't know what framing of charges are.
Madhav, framing of charges does not mean that you are convicted.
Of course not. But that only means the process is still underway. He hasn't been announced innocent either in any case.
So therefore, what I'm trying to say here is that under the criminal law, till the time a person gets convicting after, a full-fledged trial, you can't say that, he is guilty. That is a job of the court.
Whether or not he is guilty, sir, he's facing very serious charges. Do you admit that or not?
Now tell me.
Do you admit that he faces serious charges or not?
No. Now tell me, do you admit?
Why did the Congress party cancel his ticket in 2009? Kapil, tell me.
Hold.
No. Why did the Congress party cancel his ticket in 2009?
Mr. Amit Shah
Why did the Congress party cancel his ticket in 2009? Tell me.
Why are you giving cover fire to Sanju?
Forget Sanju. I am asking you a question. You answer my question. No. Am I speaking something that is factually correct or not?
Now tell me.
One second. Kapil, is it a fact? Do you remember what happened in 2009?
How is that related to a
Let me ask you one by one. Please, just 1 second. Kapil, answer the question. What happened in 2009? Please tell our viewers.
You tell. You have a story,
is it a fact?
You say a fact.
I am asking you. You are saying that I am giving cover fire to BJP. I am asking you a question.
How can I say what happened in 2009?
Was he given a ticket and was it not cancelled in 2009? Yes or no?
No, Madhav.
Yes or no? Answer my question.
No. It was not cancelled because of this.
Oh, what was it cancelled for?
You please.
What was it cancelled for?
You will have to. No, I am saying you make an allegation. You please show and say how, and because of what.
Are you aware that there was a shoe thrown at Mr. P. Chidambaram at a press conference, sir? By a journalist called Jarnail Singh, who later joined the Aam Aadmi Party and became an MLA. Are you aware of this?
No. So
you are not aware of this. Let me then ask Dr. Ranganathan to refresh your memory. Dr. Ranganathan.
Yes.
We all know what kind of an issue and the kind of baggage that Mr. Tytler carries. Just remind Mr. Kapil Madan of what all we've seen publicly happen.
No, all said and done. Kapil is a very erudite, is a very dear friend, and he answers very truthfully, and I'm sure he's going to do this. Now, he talks about, yes, Jagdish Tytler has not been convicted, so yes. So, I want to ask him a very simple question. Is Rahul Gandhi wrong when he says that Adani is corrupt because Adani has not been convicted? Yes or no? Is Rahul Gandhi wrong?
Can I give you a very, very quick response? Now,
it's a yes and no
Mr.
question.
Adani, hold on. It's not a yes.
Why?
It's not a leading question.
Has he been convicted?
Give you an answer.
Has he been convicted?
He's been charged.
Has he been convicted?
He's being charged.
So Jagdish Tytler is also charged.
He's being charged in the US.
So is Mr. Tytler.
He's being charged in the US.
That is the point, Mr. Madan.
No.
That is exactly the point.
No.
They use the same yardstick. No. This is hypocrisy. And Mr. Kapil Madan, what Dr. Ranganathan has demonstrated is pure and simple hypocrisy in your argument. You want to say that Mr. Adani is corrupt without him getting convicted, but you want to defend Tytler saying that don't call him any names because he's not convicted.
Because you are saying
wonderful double standard, sir.
No, I am sorry. I am Madhav. What I am trying to say is Mr. Adani, as we speak, is facing a prosecution in the United States. That's a matter of fact.
What about Mr. Tytler? Is he not facing any prosecution? Mr. Tytler faces no prosecution.
You are saying that he is
guilty. What is Mr. Tytler facing?
He is not guilty. You are saying he is guilty of Sikh genocide. I am saying he is
उनके
not.
कोर्ट
He's
केसेस
not
में
being
क्या होता है? What
pronounced
happens in
guilty.
his court case? He is deified. People do puja in the court hall.
No, it's a trial that happens. It's a trial that happens.
It's a
trial that happens.
And
It's
what
a
is he in
trial
that trial?
happens.
What is he in that
You have
trial?
to give evidence.
What is
you have
he?
to lead evidence.
What is
You
he
have
in
to
the
lead
trial?
evidence.
He's not facing
I am
charges.
saying, no, in the trial you will have to lead
Come on,
evidence.
Kapil.
Prosecution.
Don't do
I am
this.
sorry, you don't know the law.
Don't do
you
this.
don't know the process. That's
Don't
the
do
problem.
this. Don't do this, sir.
You don't know the law. You
Don't do
don't
this,
know
sir.
the
Your
process.
hypocrisy has been exposed already.
No.
Let's not take this any further, please. Let's not argue a good point which has already been made. But anyway, Sanju Verma, there's no hypocrisy. They're two totally different cases.
Madhav, on live debate, Kapil Madan has been embarrassed, his hypocrisy exposed, and he's been cornered, and he's smirking there. You know, gire to gire par tang uchi. But let me say one thing. Since the name of Amit Shah cropped up, I have to say this on your show. Let your audience hear this. The Sohrabuddin Sheikh death happened in 2005. Amit Shah faced trial for 11 years. He was exonerated by the Bombay High Court in 2016. But do you know something, Madhav? The Darbari ecosystem said Bombay High Court judgment ko hum believe nahi karte. The matter went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court exonerated Amit Shah in 2018. Amit Shah has faced trial for 13 long years without ever undermining India's judicial system. And last point, Madhav, in 10 seconds. The 2002 Gujarat riots. Prime Minister Modi was given a clean sheet by the Supreme Court in June 2022 after 20 long years. एक बार नरेंद्र मोदी ने नहीं कहा कि मैं देश की जुडिशरी में विश्वास नहीं रखता. That's the difference between Amit Shah, Narendra Modi and the Darbari ecosystem of Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, who could find nobody else but a former Chile president who actually says it's not Pakistan occupied Kashmir, it's India occupied Kashmir. And the Darbari ecosystem says, "Wah ji wah, kya bola
All
hai?
right.
She's a peace activist. Sharam karo, Kapil Madan."
All right, we'll have to leave it there for the moment. In fact, I'd like to thank all our panelists for joining us. Kapil Madan, Tehseen Poonawala, Sanju Verma, as well as Dr. Anand Ranganathan. Certainly, of course, not a controversy that's going to die down anytime soon. Thanks so much for joining us.